Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. It's either gonna roll or it's gonna pop. Eat NASDAQ. Oof. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. Yeah, it's straight down right now. Not today, buddy. Not today. Oof. The trap.
Hey kids,
Ooh, buddy, the trap is real.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? FOMC, baby. It's gonna get wild. Fucking get out your degenerate gambling fucking habits.
NASDAQ.
Hopefully we get some volatility here today.
There's the pullback we were looking for.
Money. Right now, the NASDAQ, the ES down at the
Can't stop. Won't stop.
16,586 is currently on the NASDAQ.
NASDAQ.
And we'll see how she's still going. Sorry about that. Sorry. There we go. Now we take it away. All right, now we're good. The soundtrack. Oh, the soundtrack. All right. It's fucking FOMC, baby. We got about what do we got? 17 minutes here till FOMC. Let's do a fucking poll here. Get 100 likes here on the stream. Get a poll. See who's right. Are we going up or down for FOMC today? Who thinks what? Up or down on the FOMC news? Y'all want to bet? Anybody want to make a bet? Make a bet. Make a bet. Who wants to bet? Up or down? Up or down after FOMC news? Let's see. What do you guys think? Going down, up to all-time high, up, down. Big flash to up, then down. A lot of people data at 2. Yeah, no, I get it. Q&A. Steve R, thanks for pointing out the fucking obvious. Sir Vidai, $10 says that we're gonna touch 16,500. Deal. I'll bet you. Who wants to bet? Place your bets. $10. Me versus Sir Vidai. Here, I'm gonna make a list. Let's make some bets. I'll take your bets. We'll see who can. I'll only take bets that I like. Let me see. I'm gonna make a notepad here. I'm gonna write down the names. All right, we're gonna write down the fucking names, and we're gonna do this just like this. Watch. All right, Sir Vidai said 16,500, $10 that we touch. I'll take it. I take the we don't. All right, who wants the next bet? It's got a $10 bets only. Chuckles, $10. It's up to 16,700. I don't like that bet. I think it might go to 16,700. So I don't like that bet. I will not take that. Rip to 16,700. I don't like that bet. I'm not betting that one. I think we could go to 16,700 here. So I'm bullish on the FOMC. So ARCA 300. You want to bet 16,300 for $10? Come on. Who wants to bet that? I'm down for that bet. Nobody wants to bet. Where's all the bears at? I need the bears. I need some bears. Randy H, $10. It rips up, rips down, and goes back to where we are now. It's not good enough. The problem is you guys are all the bulls. I can't really agree with you. There's no bears that want to bet here. Everybody's talking about going up. Damn it. Come on, somebody's got to be fucking bearish. Give me some bears. Where are the bears at? Best in trading index trader banned. Spam your chat. Nobody fucking cares. Get out of here. 16,475. Blaze, you want to make that bet? Come on. I'm down with that. I'll take a $10 bet on that one. Confirm your bet. Confirm your bet. Nobody wants to bet. All right, Blaze is in for what? 16,475. Blaze 063 16,475. $10 that we touch. I say we don't. Matthew says that he bets 10,000 that trade of 8 glitches. It's pretty good. Pretty good bet right there. A pretty good bet. 16,540. I'll take that. CN Quan 16,540. $10 we touch. I say we don't. I mean, that I might be a little too overly bearish now. Fuck, we're gonna go straight down here. Market's gonna go straight down now that I'm this bearish. Josh Brown, I put my I like that one. 16,396. Matt Trubin. I don't even care if he wants to take the bet. I'm putting that on the board just so we can see it later on. Oh, come on. I need some more bearish people in the chat. Who else wants it? $10. We need more bears. More bears. Arca Records. Are you really going to put your name on that one? 16,300. Arca Records. 16,300. $10 bet. Not even very good. That's not a very good bet for you, my friend. Ooh, Gauge. Gauge Keep. 16,250. After 230. After 230. 16,250. $10. I like that bet. I will take that bet all day. Booked. The Bears are out. All right, all right, all right. I'm about to be down fucking 50. What is that? $60 right now. $60 possibly. Who else? You got one more minute to get your bet in here. 16,401 for Sponge. Anybody want to bet 16,800? Anybody want to be really bullish? 16,800? I'll take that bet. 16,800. Anybody? Fox Buddy. $15,500. That's not very good for me, but whatever. It's a pivot point down there. 530. At this point, it's just gonna be fun. Let's put some. All right, who's bullish? Let's put some bullish bets up there. Jose C. 16,750 for Jose C. Let's just put some numbers on the board, even if we're not betting. Let's just put some numbers. In the trade, 16,524. Who else wants some? James J. 16,480. Alex, 1,700. 17,000, sorry. David A. I'm trying to get, you guys are all going crazy right now. David A. Fuck. You're moving too fast. 16,800. I'm going to put it, I want to try to fill this up so we can look at this later on, see who was right, who was wrong. Because everybody always calls out shit. Daniel in 16,700, bullish as fuck. Make sure I add that in there. Fox Buddy, 16, yes. Oh, 16. Sorry, 16,530. That would have been crazy. 15,530. You definitely would have been right there. Dan Vogan, 16,660. Jose, Jose. God, I can't type fast enough. You guys are fucking nuts right now. Josh Chavers, 1627. Let's see who fucking kills it here today. Kayana, 16,735. I'm trying to put everyone's fucking name in here. Zach sucks, 1669. Halston, 1676, I think. 16,676. Fuck, I can't even type it fast enough. 767. All right, who else? Stefan Lulian, 16,550. Paper Guy, 16,769. 16,769. Bob Barker, 16,769. All right, that's pretty much the last one. Jeff, what's your number? Help me the number quick, Jeff. I can't even, oh my God. Too many names. Joe Black. After 16, I like that one. Joe Black. 16,800 after 230. All right, that's all the numbers. I can't type anymore. It's too many of you guys. We'll see who wins. All right. The numbers are placed. The bets are placed. The market's pushing up. Let's go. We got 6 more minutes here, people. 6 more minutes till the interest rate decision. Who's going to win? Who's going to lose? The $1 million question. My bet is... Oh, fuck. Let me think. Let me look here. Let me look. Let me think about this for a minute, people. Give me a moment. I think we're gonna run highs. I think there's a chance 16,680. I'll say 16. Here's my bet. My bet's gonna be 16,700. I'm putting the line on the chart right now, so you can't say later on that I changed my bet. I think we'll tap 16,700 here. That might be very fucking bullish, but whatever. I think it's gonna happen. Anybody agree with me? Somebody said 1650, push it, and then we dump. Okay, I like that. All right, we've got about 5 minutes here. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna deny that I made that claim. If it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. 100 points is not much at FOMC. I agree with you. That's why I don't think it's out of question, you know, to be honest. We'll see. I would love to see it just blow right through 700. That would be awesome. But yeah, 1 hour chart there, 15-minute chart. What do we got? We got the VWAP right there, the 16,615, 16,700 up there. Somebody said it's going to go all the way to 16,800. If it goes all the way to 600, I think I win either way. Last Fed decision of the month. That's not going to be a lot for the market. We'll see. Everybody's very bullish or either very bearish. Not a lot of people calling for. Anybody think we're not going to go up or down? Anybody? Anybody think we're just going to get a non-event? Is that a possibility? Non-event Anybody? It could be possible, just totally no movement. Like maybe we just fucking don't really go anywhere. Maybe a possibility, huh? I feel like we're getting everybody's a little too bullish right now. A little too bullish, a little too bearish. One Swede dude's putting a bracket order at 1620 for 15 contracts. For a short or for a long? Which way you going? Gonna play the pump song up. Do we need the pump song before the news? I don't know. Everybody, it might be too much. I might be playing it too much here. All right, so the poll right now is 68% say we're going to go up, 32% say we're going to go down. So very, very bullish on the votes right now. That's not very good for the Bulls. Uh-oh. 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 We got a little less than, we got about a minute here. Got about a minute here. 1 minute, my friends. 1 fucking minute. Hit that like button if you haven't already. Let's start the party.
Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. It's either gonna roll or it's gonna pop. NASDAQ. Oof. Wowzers. There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ.
It's real.
Can't stop, won't stop, they said.
40 seconds. 40 seconds.
NASDAQ. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. Got it straight down right now. Not today, buddy. Not today. Oof. The trap.
Here we go. Four seconds. 3, 2, 1. Straight up 1620s. Are we gonna go straight to the fucking moon, boys? The first initial move is normally the fake out, but we'll see how this plays. Right now up to the 612s. Straight to the moon right now. The chat currently looking pretty good. But this could be the dump. The pump before the dump. Up there to the 40s currently. But the ES, the NASDAQ straight up here after the FOMC interest rate decision. Still going up to the 40s, up to the 50s. All right, all right. Are we going to go to the 700s here? Woo, buddy. Right to that pivot point there at the 50s now. If we break through the 50s, let's see what happens here. We push right up that pivot point now. Will we squeeze straight through there? I'm taking this long right there. Let's see if we squeeze through the 50s. You're going to either get in and out right here, right now. It's got to go, go, go. Hesitation through the 50s. And out there for a small profit. Just wanted it up there. Now it goes through the 60, up there through the 50s now. Oh, God. Up to that 15-minute high, still going up there to the 50s. The dollar straight down right now, absolutely murdered. Dollar straight down. Look at this push right through the pivot now. Fucking A, that's what I wanted to see. The bulls, everybody was really bullish going into this, and looks like the bulls got paid today, my friends. The ES all the way up there to the 720s. Will we go for my target, my 700 target up there? Ooh, baby. 16,700 to the upside there. Both the ES and the NASDAQ straight up there. Right now at that pivot point at the 50s. Both the ES and the NASDAQ absolutely straight to the moon right here. We're right there at that pivot point, 650s. I can hear all the accounts getting blown up right now. All the bears just got fucking blown up. I don't know why y'all were so bearish. All right, we got to click my bets. Collect my bets now. Okay, everybody pay up. Everybody pay me. Servat, I want my $10. Blaze, I want my $10. CNF, I want my $10. Matt Truman, Arca, Record, Gauge. Oh, after 2:30, we'll wait for that. Sponge, Fox Buddy, Jose, Intra Trade. That's about $100 you guys owe me. So, yeah. Pay me now. No one's gonna pay. Damn it. I knew it. Still going higher. I think 16,700 is coming up here, boys. LOL. How much do I win if I get the 16,700? In the trade, $10. Congratulations. Thank you for the support. Oh. You gotta love it. I mean, the high so far, 590 there. Do we go all the way to that 700 level? The ES up to 4,725 currently. The dollar getting absolutely destroyed. What happens here next? Somebody asking why I thought it was going to go up. I mean, we still got time to go to the 700s. Pretty damn close on that 15-minute candle right there. My theory on why I thought we would go up here is because of this price movement. Basically, they were selling all day. We were holding. We weren't really like dumping, just kind of selling, slowly just selling, getting those shorts to load up there. And there's the move. Blaze, everybody paying up. Thank you guys for supporting the stream. I was kind of joking. You didn't really have to pay. But, hey, thank you for the support either way. We almost got it to the 700s. We're so damn close. We're only 9 points away. 8.75, $8.75 away from that 700 level. We still got a little bit of time here on that 15-minute candle. I mean, I did put the thing there. I mean, it's still possible. We got 7 minutes left here on this 15-minute candle to get to the 700s. You know, I mean, is that 100 points? Did we go 100 points from the 90s to the... Oh, we did 100 points. We did 100 points. After 230 is the real move. Gauge keep. All right, all right. We'll see, my friend. Still hanging out up here at the highs right now. Anything's possible. Can we get one more push here? If you look at the smaller time frames, kind of just holding on up here. Got the highs so far up there at that 91.25. We get through there, we're going up there to the fucking 700s, I'd say. But right now, bull flagging here on the 2-minute chart. Just need to kind of get through the 90s quickly. Get that bull flag breakout here. Look at that bull flag right there. That's a bull flag if I ever saw one, boys. That's a bull flag if I ever saw one. Nom, 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 nom. The Patrick Wieland indicator right there. Look at that. At 152 was bullish. How'd they know? How did they know? All right, let's go to the fucking 700s, boys. Let's go to the 700s. Oh, so close again. Up there to a high of 94. 94 high there, $6 away from the 700 target that we had. People are like, Patrick, what are you gonna do when it doesn't hit it? Are you gonna delete that? Are you gonna delete the line? Well, fucking A! Delete the line. It's still on the chart, people. He don't lose. We don't miss. We don't miss. Poo, 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 poo. Poo, poo, poo. Poo, 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 poo. Oh, God. All right, we got the 230. Oh, fuck me. Got to a high, what, of 95.50 there. All right, what the fuck? I can't be perfect, people. I can't be perfect. Woo. I was pretty damn close, though. I'm going to claim that, all right? I'm just going to claim it. I don't care what anyone says. I win, I win, I win. I win. Okay? I fucking win. Oh, that was good. The ES is still holding up here. The NASDAQ still kind of holding up here as well. Dollar trying to make a new low here, right? I mean, Armenian. Trying to see if we're gonna take out this fucking high, boys. Can we take out this fucking high here? That's now the $1 million question. I think as long as you stay above the 60s here, with the ES right now at trying to push up there through the 4,727. The ES really holding on, just pretty much at the highs right now. The NASDAQ, a little pullback here, but still very much just kind of hanging out up here at the highs. So I think we could still get this push through the 700s here today. Dollar selling off. Dollar just made a new low. Dollar making a new low makes me feel like there's still a little bit of room to run here on the NASDAQ. What do you guys think? Very tight price action right here at the 70s for now. 72, 73s on the NASDAQ. Get this push straight through the 80s next and then go right to the 700s. We can kind of break out here again. Just need more shorts getting squeezed here, basically, is what we need. Need them shorts getting squeezies. I think if the ES makes a new high, if the ES pushes 4,730s, then NASDAQ will push through the 700s. That's just the way I see it right now. You know, with the ES is right there at 27.25. You got to get through the 30s there on the ES. That takes the NASDAQ through the 700s, right? Right? You know what I mean? That's the way I'm looking at it. If I was a betting man, which I kind of am a betting man here, we can go for this. I think we can go for this here. Taking a little bit of profit right here at the 81s. Let this fucking ride. You can see I took profit a little early there at the 640s from the 590s there earlier. A little sell right there, 640s. Long right here, trying to get this push up through the highs. Moving my stop up 81, guarantee that I lock in 100 points here. I mean, 10 points, sorry. My entry before FOMC was 90s. Get this push through the 700s now. Oh, don't do it. Don't pull back on me. Almost to the 90s. The ES just stuck up there at the high right now, 2850 area. Get this through the 90s right here, right now. We got the press conference at 2:30, so we'll see how that plays out here. And possibly stopped out here at the 81s for 10 points. I can always re-enter. Oh, so close. So close. The ES up to the 28s again. The ES needs to go through the 30s here. Take the NASDAQ through the fucking 700s here. Terror, the price action is sitting right here now. Oh, is the ES gonna go? 2850 on the ES. Yes, go through there. 2850 on the ES, trying to go. Oh, I think we might have to wait till after the press conference here to get the news, to get some more movement. Maybe a pullback here today. Well, that was intense. Oh, fuck. My AirPods are dead. Still going. We're long here from the 70. Oh, fuck. The AirPods are dead. How do these things always die? I don't charge them. That's probably why. All right, I want you guys to see something really quickly. I'm still long here, but just I want you to see how we're looking at the dollar, right? Look at the dollar right now. Dollar just making continuous new lows. That's why I said I'm looking for this to push up to get this move right now. That's why I'm long. Look at the dollar. Weakness. When we see the dollar showing that type of weakness, making new lows, well, guess what's going to happen next? The ES, the NASDAQ's going to make a new high. And look at it. Up there to the 96s, 97s. All right. Can we go? I'm moving my stop up here to 91 to guarantee at least 20 points here on this trade. I don't want to give back any more than that. And there's the 700! Yeah, boy. I'm going to take it off right there just to lock it in. All right, boys. Chuckles, you called it before me. It don't. You called it before me. Get out of here. Still going higher. Where the fuck are the Bears at? Why did the Bears not want to make bigger bets today with me? You know why? Because they were like, fuck. These are all the Bears this morning. Earlier, 16,500, 16,475, 16,540, 16,396, 16,300, 16,400, 16,530. Where the fuck are they at now? We got them on the board. Patrick Wieland, 700. Tapped. Oh, God. There's my yellow line on the chart. Paid. Look at it. Still fucking going. Up there to the 11s now. God. Yeah, Gage is still waiting for 16,300 after 2:30. Any moment now, it's going to happen. Oh, man, it's too easy sometimes, guys. It's too easy. Oh, man, it was good. Good times. Love to see it. All right, so we got 2:30 press conference coming up here. So get ready for that. Still going through the 700s now. That's over 100-point move since the start of this, basically. 13 still going. Congratulations. If you're making money right now, you're on the right side of the fucking party. Josh Chavers calling the 20s. Congratulations. Everybody's just fucking on it today. The chat earlier voted for a move up over a move down. So the Bulls, the chat was right. Don't fade the chat. Martin, my trade of 8 crashed. Well, we knew that would happen. We knew that would happen. What a move. What a move. I do like the fact that somehow magically the indicator did. I mean, the indicator said to get long at the 16,590s. So, I mean, what's crazy is there wasn't even a dip. There wasn't even a dip. I'm all out now from the 700 break. There wasn't even a, you know, like there literally wasn't even a dip here. Look at that. There was nothing. Like normally we get like a wick. You know, get some kind of something. Nothing. Absolutely nothing happened there. Crazy. And look at the ES up through the 33s now. Pretty insane move. So we got 6 minutes until the FOMC meeting. That was pretty wild, though. All right, so I think we definitely need to get a little bit of a pullback here. And that was a really nice pullback there. We got long at the 70s again. Got another, again, there's 40 points, 50 points to the upside right there. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, baby. If you guys haven't hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Josh Chavers, you get paid because you didn't lose money. Oh, here we go, baby. Getting more volatility now. Question is, do we buy the dip? On that trade, I was only trading small size, only 3 contracts, but I made $3,500 from those trades. Can't be trading 15 contracts on fucking FOMC day because you're gonna get, there's too much volatility and you'll get blown the fuck up. So. Just trying to be patient, wait for another good setup here. We got more setups to come. Always more setups to come. Don't want to go chasing this thing right now. Especially, I think this was a good pullback here. Thinking that we'd get that push, you know, above that high right there. Now the question is, like, I don't like this pullback right here just yet. So, be a little bit more patient. Maybe it goes higher. Nothing wrong with being patient. Don't want to give back any profit. Disappear. We are trading the NASDAQ futures. Oh. VWAP bounce off the 16,626s would be pretty wild. But 100-point move back down from here. I don't know if we get that low. The dollar is starting to find a little bit of support down there. VWAP down into here. I think realistically a really great bounce area would be kind of into this 40 to 50 level maybe. VWAP might be a little much. We need a little bit of a pullback. It's a little too much right now. You got that next pivot point at the 16,725 area. I think it's 27 actually. If we get some more likes here on the stream, we'll do a giveaway. Anybody want to win? I said win. Win, 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 win. Fuck everyone else. Win, 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 win. How about a pullback to the 1665? Well, yeah. That pullback to that pivot point to the downside from that earlier resistance wouldn't be a bad area to pull back into. We'll find out here. We'll find out here. We're live on the YouTube. We're making money. People are making money, 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 money. We got the move that we called out before the move even happened. 100 points here on the NASDAQ. Let's fucking go. Can I post Jay's song in the MFT lobby? Yeah, I can. I'll do it later on. I can't do it right now. Give me a little bit of time. Let's play the song one more time. If you haven't already heard it, just go ahead and turn your volume off if you want.
Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. It's either gonna roll or it's gonna pop. NASDAQ. Oof.
Wow. I can't actually hear it on my side.
There's the pullback we were looking for. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. Yeah, it's straight down right now.
Platinum album, going platinum, going platinum, platinum, platinum.
Not today. Oof. The trap.
That's funny. Good times, good times. Jay got a new, even remastered it. I like it. Oh man, things are getting serious. My new album's coming out soon. Patrick Wieland, Beating the Market. Beating the market. Here we go. Waiting for Jay Powell to start talking. FOMC meeting, press conference. He'll answer some questions, and hopefully once he's done talking, we will get some better action here. Right now, press conference. Let's see. He's not even live yet, so we were waiting for him to go live. Here he comes. Here he comes. There he is. You got. Put the closed captioning. Inflation has eased from its highs. Inflation is still too high. I'm echoing? Oh, fuck. All right, no more echo. Sorry.
Since early last year, the FOMC has significantly tightened the stance of monetary policy. We've raised our policy interest rate by 5.25 percentage points and have continued to reduce our securities holdings at a brisk pace.
The chat on Bloomberg is pretty hilarious. Everyone's like, buy Ethereum, buy Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin, buy Ethereum. All right, Gage Keep. What's your target again, Gage? What'd you say it was?
Today we decided to leave our policy interest rate unchanged and to continue
I think I deleted the fucking notepad. What the fuck?
where we have come, along with the uncertainties and risks that we face. The committee is proceeding carefully. We will make decisions about the extent of any additional policy firming and how long policy will remain restrictive based on the totality of the incoming data, the evolving outlook, say about monetary policy after briefly reviewing economic developments. Recent indicators suggest that growth of economic activity has slowed substantially.
The question is, does he even need to talk, really? Like, to be honest, like, does he need to talk? Can't they just, like, publish this as, like, a, you know, like a tweet? Couldn't he just, like, tweet this? Why couldn't he just, like, tweet this? Like, just tweet this whole paragraph. That's what I don't understand. Why couldn't he just, like, you know, post this on Twitter? Does he really need to talk? Just post it on Twitter, man.
Higher interest rates also appear to be weighing on business fixed investment. In our summary of economic projections,
Post it on Twitter. Please, thank you. Back up there to the 700s again. Not much of a dip here. The buyers bought the dip off the 14 EMA. They were watching Patrick Wieland's live stream. Sons of bitches. The chat right now on Bloomberg is hilarious. I don't know if they even like... Does Bloomberg know the chat is going off right now? Can you guys see that you can... Oh. Look at the chat on Bloomberg. Gauge Keep lost the bet. Oh, man. 230, the real move is going to happen. It's all good. Hey, don't, you know, it's Patrick Wieland, #1 day trader on YouTube. You're not going to beat me, people. Look at it. Still pumping. 720s. Oh, my God. It won't stop. I'm up $55 on the bets today. I'm going to start making more bets with you guys. It's like taking fucking money, taking candy from a fucking baby. Taking candy from a baby, baby. Oh, that's good stuff. I appreciate everybody who paid up. I do appreciate it. So, big thanks, guys, for that. This thing is still going. Up there to the 25s now. Wowzers. Everybody, remember everybody earlier was bearish. Everybody was pretty bullish. The chat was like 63% say we're going to go up. And guess what? We went straight to the fucking moon. The crazy part is there was legitimately no pullback here. I've never seen like economic news legitimately not have any type of pullback. Like it literally popped. Just went straight up. Right there. At 1 o'clock. There was no dip. Zero dip. I mean, maybe like fucking dipped 1 point. 1 point it dipped? God damn. If that's not the most insane move I've never seen something like that, to be honest. And look at it, still going. Holy fuck. This market said, I'm going straight to the moon, and I don't care what anyone says. My name is boom, 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 straight to the moon, moon, moon. Absolutely insane. Still, just fucking straight up here. The ES up to the 740s. Like I said, that 730 area needing to get through. Now we're obviously we're about 10 points on the ES through the 730s, obviously. This is wild. We're seeing history. History in the making, boys and girls. History in the making today. Absolutely insane moves. Hey, everybody in the chat, like you're telling me so, I told you so. What do you mean you told me? We went to the 700s, all right? I win. You lose. M&Ms. I got these like natural M&Ms, unreal. They got made with rich fair trade milk chocolate. They're colored by veggies, gluten-free, and sweetened without sugar alcohols. Wow. How magical. I'm all about eating those healthy candies, you know. How high can we go? Let's see. Where are we at right now? Looking at the daily chart. Trying to see here. There's really not like a ton of resistance here. I mean, maybe we go to the 800s. 16,800 here today. I don't think is out of the question. Nothing like majorly up there to stop us, I don't think, from this move up right now. What do you guys think? 800s today? Just go all in, full port long? Full port long. Full port long. I would like to see some kind of little pullback, some kind of liquidity grab there. But hey, what a move. Let's look at the 1 minute chart. Wow. The 1 minute chart also had a buy signal here on the Patrick Wieland indicator. If you have not checked out the new Lux Algo Patrick Wieland fucking indicator, check it out. Free on TradingView. Lux Algo market flow trend lines and liquidity. Look at this fucking thing. Got you a signal to get long earlier there at 145. Fucking market went to the moon. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. 2 minute chart. Also had a signal to get long there at 150. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. On the day right now, I'm not up that much on the day, to be honest. I'm only up like $5,000 on the day. I was trading smaller size because of FOMC. Holy fuck, through the 50s now. She's still just going straight up here. I don't really know, like, I don't want to chase this, but it's like, there's like no one, there's just nothing to stop it, it seems. Up there, 750 pullback here, so. The 4,745s, 46s, the ES still making new highs. I'm gonna grab a water real quick. Gotta stay hydrated, people. Water is your friend. And right back up there to the 60s. Go through the 60s here. Looks like it. Wow. Straight through the 60s now. $65s. Going that 70s next. There's the 80 push. Wow. Wow. Okay. Houston, 16,767. Congratulations. The winner of the day right there. Fucking A. I'm not even mad about it. Like I said, I was looking for 16,700. There it is. 780 high. Holy fuck. Now we pull back. Now we start to pull back here. Market just went straight to the fucking moon there. The ES wants that 50 break here. ES up there to the 4,749 50s. See if they're going to take it right through that 50 on the ES to get through there. Did it pop through 50? Got right to 4,750 on the ES now. Now some dumpage here. Bounce right off the 14 EMA on the 2-minute chart, 1-minute chart there. 14 EMA. See if I'm going to go through the 80s here next. The NASDAQ, the ES, both sitting here. There's maybe one more pop to come here. That 50 lap, 4,750 on the ES over there. Will it take it? When I say over there because it's like on the other side of my chart, on the other side of my screen right here. ES right there at the 49s, 49, 49, 49s on the ES. See that 50 breaks. 50 breaks. NASDAQ should go through the 80s next. Oh, tapping 50s again on the ES. Trouble. Trouble at the 50s. Again, pushing 49, 50. Just the ES literally just sitting at the highs right there, 50s. 1 point up and down to the 50s right now. So NASDAQ, a lot more volatility right now over here. I think if we break out through 70s, should take out the highs there, but got to see how she plays. Just watching that ES. If the ES starts to go right through the 50s, I think the NASDAQ will make a new high here. ES again to the 50s. Does it pop? Does it pop through 50s? Pop the NASDAQ through the 70s, up through the 80s here. Got to get through this candle high, 69.75, and then go straight through the 80s next. Got my finger on the trigger here. Possible breakout. Dangerous long, but possibly just taking one more 10-pointer through the moon. The ES literally 49.50 just stuck. NASDAQ got to go straight up. You don't want any hesitation here at the 69s. Got to go straight up here. Got to go, got to go, got to go, got to go. Trouble. Problem, look at the ES right now. The ES just stuck right there to get through that 50 level. ES is right here. NASDAQ's right here. The ES has literally had no pullback. 5-minute chart here since 2:30. NASDAQ right here at the 70s now. Ooh. Just couldn't get it through the 50s there. Just couldn't get through the 50s there. Maybe they're trapping some shorts right here. If we get back through the 70s. '49s on the ES again. Off of the 14 EMA. Respecting the 14 EMA. This should take us through the 70s next. Take us long right here. See if we get through the 70s. Stop right here at the 55s. It needs to go straight up here. I'm going to either kill it if we get stuck right here. And just stuck there. 68, 69s. Just going to kill it right there. Just fucking lock in like $200. Just too much hesitation. It should have went straight through the 70s right there. So that's what I didn't want to see. Just getting stuck there. Give it some more time. I still think it'll go through. If the ES can just get through the 50s, the ES really wants to go. ES really wants to go. The NASDAQ really wants to go. We got kind of a double top there at the 72 area. Bouncing off of that 14 EMA again here on the 1-minute chart. We need to get maybe a little bit deeper into this. Kind of watching that 72 level here again. We got a pivot point to the upside at 856s, by the way. It's pretty far up there, but like I said earlier, nothing really out of the ordinary in terms of resistance at this area right now, so. Doesn't Topstep cut off at 3 p.m.? No. 4 p.m. Eastern. It's 3 p.m. Eastern right now. 750s trying to break through there on the ES once again. Just ES can't get through there. The ES through the 50s, 51 tapping, 72s pushing, get through the 75s, take out the 80s. See if we can go straight up here one more time. One more time. Bunch of liquidity at 75s, I guess. Holding us down for now. We blow through that. We should go to the 800s, I would say. Look at the ES right now through the 52s. Or up to the 52s. I think we got to go through this high. Right? Got to go. It's healthy candy. Guys, it's healthy. It's called Unreal. It's healthy candy. I feel like we gotta take this high here. Just sitting right here. Right? We take the high through the 80s next. Just feel like we gotta go. Unless they just fucking trap a bunch of buyers up here and dump this thing straight down. Dow just made a new high. There we go, up there through the 80s. Like I said, how to make a new high. Ayo in the yayo. Oh, made a new high here. 85s to the 90s, 800s. She's going 800s, boys. To a high so far of 92 there. Need some liquidity before pushing through the 800s. What a move. What a move. Push up to a high of 92.25 so far. What a wild time to be alive. Now the question is, do they start to pull back here after taking out this high there at the 80s? I think they want the 800 area. They're going to want it so bad. They're going to want it so bad here. Somebody said, go back. Look, I made a 200-point move up. Congratulations, Adam's Journey. You win. What do you win? You win nothing. You win the accomplishment. I told you. I know everybody said 800. Everybody's a genius now. Everybody wins. Little pullback here now. After that pop up to the 90s. Let's see what the dollar's doing. Dollar finding a little bit of support, but still kind of looking weak here at the lows. I think as long as the dollar keeps on trending lower. Nice little pullback, pushing right back up there now. Dollar, look at this thing. Just holding that 14 EMA on the 2-minute chart. They love that.
On the YouTube, we're making money. People are making money, 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 money. We got the move that we called out before the move even happened. 100 points here on the NASDAQ. Let's fucking go.
Now looking to see, look at the ES still on the 5-minute chart, just ticking higher and higher. NASDAQ having a little bit of trouble here at the highs, but everything else looking pretty bullish right now. So the NASDAQ, if it can get up there 16,800s or so, got the 14 EMA, I think a support right now here on the 2-minute chart. We still got an hour left here. We got an hour of action left, my friends. Anything is possible. Anything is possible from here. I'd say as long as we kind of stay above that 50 level, should be bullish here. We just don't want to get, I'd say even like 15 minute chart looking here. You just don't want to get back into like 40s or lower. You kind of want to keep this momentum going. It's a big move up. And you get too much of a pullback, then we're in trouble. So you kind of want these kind of dips and then the rips. You don't want like too much of a pullback. Just keep on pushing. Market just got to keep on pushing here. Even though it's pushed up a ton, it's like you don't want it to show weakness here, because then it's people who, there's going to be a lot of people kind of holding here for this 800 break. And if we show too much weakness, they're going to take profit. People are going to have like their stops sitting here at the 40s or so. If you're long, like you're thinking, if you're long from, you know, the 670s or the 700s even, like your stops are definitely at the 40. If you're like, you're guaranteed you're going to lock in profit to the 40s if it pulls back. So Steve R, not for nothing. The Patrick Wieland indicator got you in at 16,580 at 130, out at 750 at 248 for the largest single trade win in your life. Steve R, let's fucking go, boy. Love to see it. The team winning. You got Segi. Segi, he's scalping the 13 EMA. He's up $3,000 on the day in his XFA account. If you guys want to learn more about Topstep, there's a link down in the chat to start trading futures today. You're like, what are futures? I don't understand. Well, check out the channel. We got lots of videos talking about Topstep and all that fun stuff. Looking like we're going for the 800 push, boys. 800s coming up here. If we get through this 90, I don't see how we don't go. 92 high so far. You got the 4,760. Look at the ES right now. It is just absolutely just do. ES literally just no pullbacks here. 5-minute chart just kind of not getting anywhere. I mean, a little pullback. It's just going straight up still. It's just crazy. Absolutely crazy. So here we go. Back of the 90s again here on the on the NASDAQ. Can we go all the way through there? It should be like a rip. It should just take out this high here, 92s, and then just rip straight to the fucking moon up there through the 800s, I think. That's like, you're thinking there's going to be a lot of people trying to short up here, the dum-dums, all the retail investors. So take out that 92 high. The shorts are going to be, they're going to put their fucking stops right there at 92. You know, they're putting their fucking stops right there at the 92. And if they get ran, they're going to get fucking markets popping straight up through there. So here we go. We're testing them. They need to just go straight up. And they're getting stopped. They're getting stopped out now. Yes, sir. All the stoppers getting stoppied. Up to a high so far of 97. Get that 800 break here. I can't believe, you got to think about it. I can't fucking believe it. I just can't believe it. We're up 200 points right now, my friends. 200 points since we started this live stream. 200 points. If you guys haven't hit that like button, who's doing it like this? There is no other YouTube channel out there that's doing this shit like this. There's nobody. 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 Look at it, still going higher. Like I said, through the 92s, up there to the 800s now. Come on. Are you not impressed? You guys, I mean, do you really? Like, honest question. Do you guys not, do you watch this video and like think like, damn, this is pretty good stuff? Anybody? Am I just tooting my own horn here? I mean, I'm impressed. I'm like, damn. This is impressive. There she goes through the highs. We ran the stops, all those dum-dums. You know, all the idiots had their stop losses fucking right here at 92. Then they had their stops at the 800s. All the dum-dum retail fucking shorts. All the guys in the chat that are like, it's gonna pull back. It's gotta pull back. And then look, pushes through the 800. It's gotta pull back, and they just get stopped over and over and over. You know, these shorts that have gotten stopped over and over and over. You know, they're just getting stopped over and they're dum-dums. Dum-dums. Joe Black, remember my bet? No, I don't remember it. Sorry, man. I don't remember it. I really don't, to be honest. You're not even on the thing. I see your bet. Nah, Joe Black. All right, Joe Black is the winner of the bet today. Also, David A. Look at the winners here. Pretty much all of these people right here. Zach sucks. You lost. This person lost. Stefan. These are all the losers up here. Top. All the fucking losers. Everybody up here gets an award for being overly bearish. Losers! Why would you fade me? Come on. Arca Records calling for 16,300. Ouch. That one did not work out too well. But we did have some winners as well. A lot of winners in there. It was funny. Bob Barker, Paper Guy, both had the same numbers. Halston had the same number, 16,767. David A, 16,800. Daniel N said 16,700. Bullish as fuck. Love to see it. And we got Alex here with 17,000 call. It's a little far off, Alex, but we're kind of getting there. So either way, congratulations to everybody in the chat. For I think the majority of the people in the chat were bullish today on that move. So it's a win-win in my book. So right now in this Express funded account, you can see here $5,700 in this account today. Just trading small size. That's 3 contracts. 3 contracts, $5,705. After commissions and fees, 5,445. So you can see, you don't have to trade with fucking 15 contracts to make money. You really don't. So, just showing you guys. This was literally all after the FOMC meeting, or the I made all this money after basically 1:30 this afternoon, trading 3 contracts. So, yeah, good little lesson for you guys. You don't need to be trading 15 contracts to make money. If I would have been trading 15 contracts a day, that would have been how much? Fucking 5 times the profit, but who knows? I could have also gotten stopped out. So, yeah. 5,705. 5,705. All right, so we pushed up there above the highs now. The ES, the NASDAQ, all making that push. I think now the problem is, like, we got that whole number, right? Whole number, 16,800. It's like a mental, it's like that whole number. There's something about it. Like, we thought, like, oh, that's going to break. Now the question is, like, how confident am I that we're going to go higher? I'm not like overly confident. JT Irby, did you call that entry? I saw you on the Topstep earlier, JT. I know, you know, Patrick doesn't tell you exactly when to buy. I know it's I'm a problem child. But I don't know. I think the people that are here every day, they're here for a reason. If me not telling you exactly when to buy and sell doesn't do it for you, that's totally fine. You can go watch Topstep TV. But yeah, I don't think they do. I don't think really anyone does. So, but hey, who does? I mean, I felt like we had some pretty good call outs here today. We got it done. Topstep is already claiming to be better than CNBC. I know. Now they also claim to be the #1 futures live stream on YouTube. So I guess it means that Patrick Wieland is not the #1 live stream on YouTube anymore. I don't know. I think we need to have a battle. We need to have a battle. Luckily, tomorrow morning, I will be live on Topstep TV, which is even funnier. I will be live on the enemy's channel. I'll be live tomorrow morning on Topstep TV. So make sure you guys tune in tomorrow there. Come support. If you're a local on the Patrick Wieland live stream, make sure you show up tomorrow on the Topstep TV live stream. We'll show them how we do. So, no hate. I do, obviously big fan of the Topstep guys. But yeah, it's good to have competition, right? Like, for a long time, I really didn't have any good competition here on YouTube. So, I mean, it's hard because it's fucking, you know, there's 4 or 5. There's 5 of like 4 of them. There's only 1 of me. I'm keeping this whole fucking show going by myself. They got 4 people over there, a whole production team. You know, maybe if I had 4 people, we could do a little bit better over here. I don't know. Do I need more people? I don't know if I need more people. I don't have any problem. Somebody asked, why am I mad at Trades by Matt? Definitely, I'm not mad at Trades by Matt by any means. I've never been mad at him. Yeah. I'm just kind of indifferent, I guess. Indifferent. It's competition, you know? I do, like I've talked about before, I do have big plans. Next year, big plans. Patrick Wieland, big shit popping off. All right? You know, next year, popping off. I got to get some guests on here. Okay, maybe. I don't know. Who should I have on here? I don't know. Get Tanya trades. Tanya trades. I am impressed that we broke the 800s. We pulled back now. That was kind of that whole dollar area, right? We were looking for that whole dollar break, and that we got that push. So happy with that. You know. So, yeah, Tory trades coming to fucking, that would be comical. That would be some comedy right there. Tory trades. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah, maybe maybe me and Danny trades boxing live on YouTube. I have no idea why that kid thinks he can box me. I'm like, he's like, I don't even know, he's like 5 feet tall. I don't know what he's talking about. On what planet? On what planet does that kid think he's gonna box me? I have no idea. I'm down though. Anytime he wants to set it up, I'm down. Celebrity boxing match. Patrick Wieland, Danny trades. Put me on the fucking Jake Paul card. Call Jake Paul up. Say we got a YouTuber match. I'm down. I'm literally so down. So down. I'm 210 pounds. Pure fucking steel, boys. Pure steel. Get Review Dork. Review Dork is the biggest dork on YouTube. No, thank you. Gonna definitely avoid that. So right now it's 3:15. We've made money. We had a beautiful setup here. We killed it. You know, the best part was we absolutely killed the market open. I don't know if you guys are here for the market open. We absolutely killed it with our VWAP bounce at open. We had this whole entire thing laid out at open, if you remember. Remember at open? You guys here? Were you here? If you were here for the open, let me know in the chat. Were you here? Who was here for open? We talked about this move, pulling back at open into the VWAP, getting the rip up there to that pivot point at the 650s. And, well, we got that beautifully. And then we went sideways most of the day, and we got that big move up here. And we hit our target, 16,700. We were always at 16,800. So, yeah. Hi, I need help. No offense. I don't have like a special Topstep customer service phone number to call. People think that I have some kind of special powers to do that, but I don't. I apologize. So yeah, pretty happy to kind of just be done now, I think. We had this huge move up, 200-point move up. Now, see, this is what I was talking about. Like, this is what I did not want to see happen. I didn't want to see us start getting below the 14 EMA, starting to get down into here. Because now it's like more pullback, you know? The VWAP right now is all the way down at the 16,650s. So. Joe Black, I need help with my personal problems. Well, I can help you. Anything you need. We'll do, answer some questions here. Next 14 minutes. Anyone's got any questions you want me to answer, let's do it. We'll talk about indicators, whatever fucking bullshit is out there. Also, if you want to learn more about the Market Flow Trader community, check it out there on link in the this alchemist. He always asks me on Twitter to unblock him on YouTube. I don't have your fucking. I don't know how to unblock you. Ugh, too many people. I blocked too many people, man. Man, my question is, what stock should I invest in? Apple. Not financial advice, but I think Apple. I don't know. I just opened a 401k, actually, for the first time in my life. I'm 35 years old, and now I have a 401k that I can contribute $66,000 per year to for my retirement one day. I'm going to go all in on fucking S&P. Very aggressive. Growth, baby. Yeah, I'm just doing the S&P 401k, just straight up. S&P 500. All right, right now, pulling back here. We got a pivot point to the downside here. Pivot point at the 727s. 727s down there. 16 727s. Are you employed? I'm employed by my S Corp. $66,000 is the maximum contribution that I can make per year. 66,000, not 6.6. It's either 20% of your total income or a maximum of 66,000. And your boy be making that money. It's also tax deductible as well. You don't have to pay taxes on it. Tax deferred or whatever you call it. I don't know, man. I just fucking people pay it, you know. No, it's 66,000 per year for 401k. Buy raw land. Ew. Like, what kind of raw land? Well, it's basically my S Corp matches. I have an LLC S Corp. Patrick Wieland LLC, and then all the money goes through an S Corp. At the end of the year, I take disbursement. I pay myself $50,000 a month. Pay taxes on that. Oh, it's fun. My last payroll, I paid like $17,000 in taxes, Medicaid, and everything, Social Security. And I think I literally got paid like $12,000 out of that. I don't know how that works. I'm fucked. Do I have any other businesses aside from YouTube and trading? Nope. Pretty much that's all I do. Have I ever thought about real estate investing? I haven't really thought about it, to be honest. To be honest, I really haven't had money to invest. Coca-Cola, you're paying yourself too much. Well, I'm making $300,000 per month, so yeah. $50,000. I got to pay myself, you know, I can't pay myself $5,000 a month. I got to pay myself something out of that $300,000. Hey, Patrick, why does Quant Tower sometimes put multiple stop loss brackets when I use 5 contracts? Not sure. Yeah, I mean, the fishing tournaments are... I mean, I just started making 300. Like, this is my first year that I started making that kind of money. So, yeah, I haven't had, you know... A year ago, I didn't have fucking money to invest in... you know, real estate. Only in the last year did I start making, you know, $300,000 a month. So I'm still catching up. Any recommendations to tax accountant experts? Get a good one. Yeah, get a good one. Yeah, I just spent $200,000 on fucking new motors for my boat. That's a little silly. Am I taking a vacation from YouTube around Christmas? Probably not. I gotta make money, to be honest. I gotta make money, man. I'm broke right now. I've been buying too much boat shit. I want to buy a new boat as well. Fuck. But next year, my goal for next year is to make $1 million a month. $1 million a month, Patrick Wieland. That's the goal. Back in 2023 or 2022, my goal was to make $100,000 a month. Making $300,000 a month now. Next year, $1 million a month. Yeah, if you're making $1 million a month, you chilling. Yeah, the trucks and the boat are definitely tax write-offs for the business. How do you make $300,000 per month? Trading, YouTube, and mentoring. Mostly trading and YouTube. Mentoring, not so much. I mean, The market flow trader community, the course is $500. Well, now it's $150 a month. Yeah, I'm not making, I think the most I ever made in 1 month from, we had that last, whenever we did the blowout, I made about 50 grand from that in 1 month. Normally it's like $5,000 to $10,000 per month. It's not really that insane. And the market continuing to go lower here. Happy I did not try to buy the fucking top breakout through the 800s. You make money with 200,000 subscribers? Yeah, unfortunately. 007, 300,000, but only 24,000 payout on Topstep. I wonder, how does he do it? I actually have more than 25,000 in payouts on Topstep. Thanks for that. Go do your due diligence. I really don't care. I mean, you can, whatever you want. You say I'm poor, it is what it is, you know. Whatever you want to say, it's all good. I'm poor, I lied. I live in a shack. I got no money. My daddy pays all my bills. I'm a trust fund kid. Where will you store multiple boats when you get your second boat? I got to get a bigger house. Gonna have to get a bigger house. I remember you saying at the beginning of the year that you like to buy a building and invite other traders to trade. I think, yeah, next year I got some big plans. Stay tuned. Can't really talk about it yet, but there's some big shit going down 2024. So, look at this thing. Holy shit, man. 100-point move down right now. Still just going straight down. Wow. 100 points down. Woo. Maybe we do hit the VWAP. VWAP at the 55s. Fucking A. Yeah, it's really difficult to have this big move up like this and then automatically just switch to thinking about getting short, you know? So I don't know. It's just it's not as easy as it seems. Like in hindsight, you're like, oh, I could have got rich off that move, and then now you're like, ugh, fuck. Definitely not. I don't know. It's just not. It's not simple. It's not easy to just be like overly bullish and then all of a sudden know when to short. Like, would you have shorted right here? You know, I don't know. Like, when are you gonna short? It's just, that's a hard one. I mean, I guess you could have shorted right there when the Patrick Wieland indicator gave you a signal at the 720s. Still going lower here. Fuck. We're just really giving it up now. On the 15-minute chart, there's kind of like 80 support down there, maybe. Maybe. And right back up there, the 700s now. Now the shorts are going to get squeezed back for fun, they said. I don't know. I think I'm going to be done for the day and walk away. Try to stay out of it. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning for Thursday. Oh, well, I'll be on Topstep TV tomorrow. Topstep TV, I'll be live tomorrow morning. So tune in. Topstep TV. I will see you guys later on. Peace in the middle. What do the successful 10% of the people out there have going for them that's different from the others? Community. Hoping and praying is not a strategy. We got people in our community making $10,000 in a day. And I'm just like, we trade without risking our own money. We keep it simple and we trade the market flow.
You can have all the education in the world, but it's not enough.
All these other courses, if you don't get mentoring and guidance on a regular basis, you're going to be a 7 to 10 year journey.
There are so many people in this community that are more than willing and able to help you out.